Hi there, Merry Christmas, Sonia here, and I have the best little Christmas tree design here for you today that I'm going to share. I hope you love it as much as I do. It's actually inspired by this little beauty you see back here. So I don't know how well you can see the sparkle in this thing, but I bought it last Christmas from the post office. I just thought it was quite beautiful and I love the rainbow, and I had to have a play around to create a rainbow Christmas tree. But then it got me to thinking, wow, this would look great smaller and in green. So that's what we're going to be doing for you today. I'm excited to get in and show you this, so let's get to it. So this design uses 3 balloons, and we have the 260 and 2 160s. So I'm leaving quite a bit of my balloon uninflated here. We are going to be doing 2 5-petal flowers. Our first bubble is about 2.5 to 3 fingers wide. Hopefully we've got something that looks a bit like this. So we're going to go for our next round of 5 petals, and I'm popping a little spacer bubble in there, and let's go for round 2. These are going to be slightly smaller than the row before it. So now you may have something that looks like this, and we just need to get rid of that excess. We're just doing a quick arrangement of the petals, and you want to try and place them just slightly offset to the row before, so they nestle in a little bit nicer to each other. Now the 160, and we're not going to need too much of this. So we just going to bring it in. Take the opportunity to use the nozzle end to just get in those 260 balloons a little bit. We've got another small spacer bubble. We're going to do one final round. This one's quite a small petal. It's about 1.5 fingers wide. So once more, we're doing 5 petals, and we can save this to help us do the next Christmas tree. But give yourself a bit of a tail there, because we're going to use that to attach our star. Saving you for later. I'm actually going to be on my way to a balloon job, my very last balloon job of the year, unless I pick up something for New Year's Eve. Kind of hoping I don't, so I can relax. New Year's crowds are no joke. So for our star on top of the tree, we are going to do another 5-petal flower, but this time we're going to be pinch twist. I like to start off a double pinch twist by doing these 2 smaller bubbles. Pulling that nozzle through. Then we're going to go ahead to add the last 3. Also saving this for later. So we want to take that star, place it on top of the tree, getting it in nice and firm with that leftover bit of 160. I'm just going to bring that down into my tree. One last final adjustment to get it just right, and there we have it. Why not even add a hair tie? And it becomes a beautiful little wrist accessory. How cute is that? This is probably a little bit close to Christmas, but I really hope you love the design. And I actually think if you have those cute little stick-on diamantes, that would be really adorable, and I really think you should add them. So try it. And if you do, make sure you visit my Facebook group, A Rainbow of Balloons Learning and Resource Centre, and I'll leave a link below, and share your designs. I'd love to see what you create. But thank you so much for helping me to put a positive twist in your life, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.